What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and today, y'all, we have Bijou's beauty box for the month of May. I'm so excited to get this box and so ready to see what we got. So if you guys want to see, you know what to do, boo. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. Okay, loves, welcome. Today we have Bijou. I'm very excited for this box. I did receive this one on Thursday, and while I was filming BoxyCharm, I said, well, let me go on and put Bijou in the mix too for my babies for Monday. So that's what we doing, boo. Today I still got this same Moscato I was drinking on in BoxyCharm's video. Let's take a drink real quick. Leave me a comment. Let me know some of you guys' favorite white or red sweet wines, because I do want to try out more wines. So let me know in the comments below. We're not going to keep you long today, boo. We're going to get to our specs. We're going to unbox this box, and that's what it is, boo. Y'all ready? Y'all know what we got to do first, right? We got to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my BoxyCharm video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys. Also, if you guys didn't know, I'm going to give you a little secret. Boo, it's free to subscribe to me, yeah. So you need to go on and pause this video, press subscribe, and come on back and watch. It is like the bomb over here. I'm telling you, trust me. So guys, without further ado, let's get the specs on this box and get it on and poppin', boo. For you guys that do not know, Bijou Beauty Box is a $30 per month beauty subscription plus $5.95 for shipping. This box is sent to me for review, and y'all know, as usual, I'm always gonna give my honest opinion. This is a mystery box, guys, so everyone will probably receive a different variation. You get 5 beauty products each month, and if you use the code TonyaNicole, you will get 20% off of your subscription. I want to give a quick shout out to Bijou's customer service and the brand in general. I used to unbox Bijou a few months ago on my channel, and they were a brand new company, and I wouldn't always give them the most positive reviews. The only issue I used to have with Bijou was their price and then the value of the box. So I would voice that in my videos. And even once I unsubscribed to the subscription, the owner of the company reached out to me, and she pretty much told me that she loved my channel, she valued my opinion, and that they love constructive criticism that will help them to better their box. And since they are growing and trying to improve their box, she wanted to send me over a box for my review to you guys, because she know I will be honest. And I greatly appreciate that, because a lot of companies cannot take constructive criticism, and I don't do anything like that on my channel to try to be mean. I just try to give my people my honest opinion on the products that I like, and if I think the value is worth it, and so on and so forth. So shout out to Bijou for being a great example for other subscription boxes to follow, because not all the time everyone will like your products. But if you know that the person that's unboxing, like myself, is being truthful, then it should be no hard feelings. So thank you, Bijou. Now let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. So it comes like this in this standard little white box right here. Oh, look, I love that little personal touch. It says LaTonya on the inside. It does come with the card, guys, and this is what the front of the card looks like. And the back of the card has a list of all the products that we received, as well as the prices and the total retail, which I will put at the end of the video. Okay, guys, so first thing on top that I see are these Fabu lashes now by Cara Beauty. Listen to me. I have these on today. These are the A124s, and these are the A125s. I absolutely love Cara Beauty's lashes. They're so full, they're so dramatic, they're so beautiful, and this is what they look like, guys. I'm gonna take them out the package. These are definitely TonyaNicole approved. I'm glad that she put dramatic lashes in this month's box, because not everybody wears natural lashes, and I do love a bit of drama, and these are perfect for me. me. So I do appreciate these, and let me see what they retail for. And these guys are the Cara Beauty lashes, and they retail for $5.99. And since I do wear them, I know it is a great deal because these lashes are bomb. Trust me. So all of my dramatic lash wearers, you would love this. I promise you, they're great. Next up, I received from Ruby May Cosmetics the Drama Queen mascara here, and I have already received this in, I think, my Glow Addict box last month. So I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway, and this is what the packaging looks like right here, guys. I love that it's pink packaging, but I did receive this one last month, so I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys in this video. This is the Ruby May Drama Queen mascara, and it retails for $16.99. If you tried this mascara before, let me know what you thought about it, but I'll be putting it in a giveaway for you guys on this video, so just look down below in the description to find out how to enter. Next up, I am pulling out, oh my God, brushes, and these are the OMFG Cosmetics brushes. It's a trio. Comes in this plastic. Let's open it. Oh, they feel nice. They're cute. The handle is beautiful. Looks like we got some blending brushes and a packer brush. So those are the three brushes. That's the handles right here. Very, very pretty brushes. Very soft. They feel okay. Pretty decent. I'll try these out and see. Y'all know I love, love, love getting brushes, and OMFG always shouts me out on Instagram, so I do like them. So okay, I like this. Let's see what these retail for. And these guys are the OMFG Cosmetics brush set, and it retails for $20. Next up, we have from NYX, and this is the Cosmic Gel Liner in the shade Supernatural. Ooh, okay. So this is what the box looks like, guys. It's like this, and it says NYX right there. Let's open it up. Let me get my scissors. Okay. When we take it out of the box, it looks like this right here, and this is a nice little frosted glass. I usually, oh, it has a little safety seal on it, guys, but I'm going to open it because I think I will be using this. I'm very excited for this. Let's see. We take it out. That's what it looks like in there. Beautiful blue color, and that's how it's swatched out right there, guys. So we will be trying, we're going to try this out and see if I like it as a gel liner or maybe as a little highlight in the front. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the NYX gel liner, and it retails for $13. And last up, we have a palette. And this is from Ruby May Cosmetics, and it's the Pop Zombie palette. Now, I did receive 2 of these last year for Halloween, one in a Lashy box and one in Glow Addict Beauty box. So I will be giving this one away as well in the video today. So when we open it up, it is a 9-shadow palette, and there is a mirror. Hey, boo. And there was a little plastic that was on it. I will not touch it, guys. And this is what the palette looks like, guys, right there. Very pretty palette. Some of the names are Virus, Brains, Pus, Pop, Undead. So this is a very cute palette. I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys in this video. So like I said, giveaway rules are in the description. So let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Ruby May Pop Zombie palette, and it retails for $28.99. Now, I don't know if I would pay $28.99 for this, but okay. So that was my final product in this month's box. We're going to quickly recap it. I'm going to do final thoughts. We're going to rate the box, and we're going to be done. What y'all think about my new hairdo? Girl, I'm trying to side part. I always do a middle part. I know. My friend just made this unit for me. Isn't it gorgeous, girl? So we received the Ruby May Cosmetics Zombie palette from Cara Beauty. These beautiful lashes here. From Ruby May, the Drama Queen mascara. These 3 eye brushes from OMFG Cosmetics, and the NYX Cosmic Liner. So that's 5 products for this month. And the box total is $84.97, guys. So final thoughts on this month's box is, now that I'm looking at the box, I see that we got something in here for a whole little eye look. They gave us a palette to go with some lashes, some brushes to put the eyeshadows on, some mascara, and a liner. So I am thinking of this as like an eye box for the month of May, and I am pleasantly surprised with the products. Out of the 5, I would definitely use these 4 right here. Definitely the gel liner, the brushes, the mascara, and the lashes. And I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway since I already have 2. The shadows were okay. Some of them were a little powdery when I tried it out, but for the most part, they are buildable. But these 2 will be going in a giveaway. So 4 out of the 5 products that I really enjoyed, I must say, is a good box for Bijou for this month. The value is $84.97, guys. So I'm not sure how you guys feel about the value. Let me know down below in the comments. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn woods, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Bijou for the month of May a whopping 3 for this month. I really did enjoy the box, guys. These are like my absolute favorites. I'm so excited to put these on and to use these and to use this. I'm happy with it. So guys, let me know your rating down below in the comments. Let me know if you are subscribed to Bijou and what you got in your box. If you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up to let me know you liked it, boo. And follow me on Instagram. All of those links are down below. That's all that I have for today, my loves. So I'm gonna go and take off this wig and this makeup and lay down. So I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. So until next time in next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Bye.